Hello, and I will be explaining pipeline freezing with 0 instructions in between, 1 instruction in between, and 2 instructions in between. So for 0 instructions, the conflict is R1 going into R1 to the next add. So we need R1 to be written back before the R1, before we can use it in this equation. So we go to IF, and once we read RF, we read that there's a conflict and we need to freeze the pipeline before we can carry on. And essentially freezing the pipeline is just continuously reading until we know that R1 is the R1 we need. And then we just freeze the pipeline. And once the write back is complete, we read that, and then we can continue on with the equation as normal, or the processes as normal. For 1 instructions, we have another add in between, so it just runs as normal. And then since we see the conflict is here, we only need to freeze for 2 delay, unlike the 3 delay here. Since we had the freeze for 3 cycles, we only need to do 2 delay here because it is 1 more cycle ahead. It starts at EX instead of, or it starts at memory instead of EX. So we only need to put read twice after realizing that there's a conflict. So we only freeze twice, and then we can carry on as normal. When there's 2 in between, the 2 that don't conflict run as normal. And then you are reading at the write back, but the write back has yet to complete since it's reading and writing back at the same time. So you have to wait for the write back to complete, resulting in 1 delay. Unlike the 2 delay here, because 2 freezes. And then you're able to carry on as normal.